So thank you for this incredible opportunity. I am Deepak, CEO and co-founder of Zighra, and I'm excited to be here. Now, at Zighra, we are a bunch of security scientists, and we are frustrated with having to enter our PINs and passwords every time we used our phones and logged into our apps, from Facebook and Twitter to mobile payments and banking. Now, like 60% of smartphone users, our inclination was to disable screen locks and leave our apps perpetually logged in. But this would be a huge security and privacy nightmare, considering that every 3.5 seconds, a phone is either lost or stolen. Now, what we found out was that when it comes to smartphones and tablets, existing authentication mechanisms such as PINs, passwords, and other biometrics was causing too much friction. So we had this crazy idea to train our phones and apps to uniquely recognize us based on our habits and interaction patterns, including the way we hold our phones, the angle in which we hold it, the pressure we apply on our touchscreens, the acceleration with which we move. We take a look at 36 plus sensorial data points to create a unique kinetic signature for the user and authenticate them. Now, our technology is a mobile SDK that can be embedded into existing mobile applications with just a few lines of code. Use cases include application access, multi-factor authentication, peer-to-peer payment, and many others. Zighra makes money per device or whenever an authentication transaction is executed. There are currently around 1.5 billion smartphones and tablets around the world. On average, these devices have 41 applications. 3 of those require a higher level of security, generating over 1.2 trillion transactions and growing exponentially. Zighra can help secure each of these transactions. Now, our launch strategy is to validate our technology with early adopter enterprise customers. During growth and maturity, our strategy is to partner with mobile platform providers to enable mass deployment of our technology. All our competitors focus on explicit authentication mechanisms. Our patent-pending technology is completely invisible and implicit, taking the friction out of authentication. Now, our team brings together a wealth of small startup and large corporate experiences in design, engineering, security, and marketing. This team has been working together over the past several years, designing and developing solutions for some of the top banks, carriers, and Fortune 100 enterprises. Since our launch, we have signed partnerships with IBM and Microsoft, currently securing over $80 million in financial transactions. Today, we are looking to raise around $750,000 in seed funding, with $500,000 in committed today. Our plan is to roll out our technology to over 2 million users and complete initial proof of concepts by 2014. To learn more or take a look at our demo, please drop by our booth and we would love to chat. Thank you very much for your time.